People may not be aware that the Central Valley is a manufacturing hub with companies producing such products as glass and water pumps.
In tonight's Education Matters, Juanita Stevenson joins us with how Clovis Community College is equipping students for jobs in manufacturing.
Well, it's called Mechatronics. Students learn skills to work as a technician, designing, operating, and maintaining industrial automation systems. And those skills are in big demand. Inside some of the Valley's top manufacturing companies, producing products from glass to packaging, also processing our food. The systems that keep all of these machines moving is called Mechatronics.
Mechatronics is a combination of electrical, mechanical, computer, and control systems.
Industrial automation isn't the future, it is now. And people with the skills to design, program, or troubleshoot the machinery that keeps a plant running are in great demand.
There we go.
Clovis Community College is the first community college in Fresno County to offer a mechatronics program.
We're very excited to be offering the mechatronics pathway and industrial automation pathway because it allows us to connect with employers locally and regionally in ways that we weren't able to do so before.
Roby Kunkel, Dean of Instruction, says the college worked closely with industry to come up with the right set of courses and equipment. Here you see students in the Advanced Industrial Automotive System course. Instructor Matthew Graff says they are getting hands-on learning, working on a piece of equipment he calls a mini factory.
They're getting training in mechanical systems, electronics, AC/DC, motor control, and then introduction to PLCs. And then our more advanced classes are process control, industrial networking, and then we have the industrial automation systems where we kind of pull all that together.
Graff says students who take the 7 courses offered in the pathway are ready to go to work in one of the Valley's many industries, including high-paying jobs at Amazon. But it's amazing how many young people aren't even familiar with mechatronics and what it offers.
I had never heard the word mechatronics before in my life.
Student Justin Webb says he thought it was more of an engineering program requiring 4 years of college. He was looking to get training and go right to work.
But when I heard about this, I was kind of afraid to be still too technical and too deep. But once you get into it, it's like you start enjoying it. And then you start seeing all the different facets that you can go into.
Clovis Community has built a new classroom with the latest equipment and is offering a 1-year program where students earn a certificate of achievement in mechatronics. They are prepared to go straight to work or a 4-year college.
We're very excited to be part of the booming manufacturing industry in the Central Valley.
Now, students can still sign up for mechatronics courses during Clovis Community College's extreme registration on August 3rd and 4th. Yes, classes start again.
I know, it's hard to believe. Summer's over.
It's cool that they have a class for that, though, because I've always looked at these giant systems where they move things and make things. I'm going, how do you even start with that? How do you even learn that? Apparently there's a way.
Yeah. Now students here in the Valley have a way to learn that.
Well, with that certificate, they can get a job and help pay their way through school,
and
too.
Make that money.
That's the difference between a minimum wage job and a career.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Juanita.
Appreciate it.